You won't buy popsicles or ice cream for yourself and your family from the store anymore after trying out this three fruit fresh juice combination. Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Natty Cooks. Thanks for stopping by. Please consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me your thoughts in the comment section. I'll be glad to hear from you. So today I'm going to be juicing oranges, watermelon, and pineapple. And let's see how we make this fun for both your kids and yourself. Yes. So I'll go ahead and chop these fruits into small sizes to enable them be easily juiced with your mixer. Okay. So let's not forget that watermelon is one of the most amazing fruits you can find in the market. Okay, watermelon is so hydrating, yes, because of its high water content, and then it improves our heart health, and then helps in blood circulation and muscle function. It also helps our skin glow and pop. Okay, pineapple too is rich in vitamin C, and it's good for our immune system. It aids in digestion and reduces inflammation. Yes, it's also an anti-inflammatory fruit. Yes. It's also a huge source of vitamin C, vitamin B6 and fiber. Oranges on the other hand is full of vitamin C and it's hydrating and full of fiber. Yes. Please don't forget to leave me your thoughts in the comment section. Click on the like button to support this video and let me know if you'll be giving this a try. Yes, you can see how much fresh juice has come out from these fruits. Zero water, no water added, no preservative, no additives of any sort, just 100% fruits. I'm going to go ahead and pour them into the molds, popsicle molds, and then refrigerate them, freeze them, yes, until they are all frozen. And then you begin to enjoy. Yes, now I'm throwing my ice cubes and then go ahead and pour them into the glass jar. And then here it is. Yes, our popsicle is ready. And look, it tasted so good, so wholesome, so healthy. Trust me, this tasted far better than the store bought. Yes, and I'm not mincing words. It tasted so healthy and wholesome with zero additives, zero external flavoring, zero artificial sugar. You should give this a try because your family will definitely and absolutely enjoy it. I mean, why wouldn't they? This is 100% natural sugar. Please give this a try and let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section. Bye.